Python curses how to change cursor position with curses.setsyx. I'm learning how to use curses and I'm trying to create a simple program to start off. I'm expecting this program to have a Q printed in the top left corner always, then it prints the most recently pressed character in 1,1. But I'm not sure how to set the position of the cursor, which should be changed by using the curses.setsyx function, but it isn't working. Here is my program. Any ideas on why it isn't doing anything? When I use git6 it gets 3, but the cursor's true position doesn't change.
Set6 and get6 affect a special workspace screen named newsclip, which is used to construct changes sent to stdscr when you call refresh. stdscr has its own position, which is not affected by those calls.
You can use stdscr.getx and stdscr.moveyx instead.